Now that Ozempic and Mounjaro have transformed weight loss, researchers have set their sights on something even more powerful. What if there was a medication that didn't just burn fat, but also helped build muscle at the same time? Enter Retatrutide, a groundbreaking triple agonist medication that promises exactly that. It's already being called a game changer, but does it live up to the hype? Today, we're taking a closer look at Retatrutide, how it works, its impressive early results, and why it might redefine healthy aging. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click on the bell for future episode notifications. Let's hand it over to Christian to unpack the science.
Thanks, Adam. Let's keep it simple. Right now, Retatrutide is still in late-stage trials, not yet FDA approved. But if it's greenlit, it could revolutionize weight and metabolic health treatment within a year or two. Let's jump into this. First, Retatrutide, a triple threat breakthrough. Retatrutide stands out because it's a triple agonist, meaning it targets three key hormone systems that regulate metabolism. GLP-1, which helps suppress appetite and control blood sugar. GIP, which supports insulin response after meals. GCGR, which turns up fat burning and energy use. 2. Next-level fat loss. Early clinical trials are impressive. Retatrutide has delivered weight reductions of up to 24% in participants, significantly outperforming current medications like Ozempic or Mounjaro. For perspective, this could mean losing nearly 60 pounds for an average adult within 1 year. 3. Muscle gains, not loss. This is the real game changer. Unlike existing drugs, which typically lead to muscle loss along with fat, Retatrutide's unique glucagon activation may help users maintain or even build muscle. Why does this matter? Preserving muscle is crucial for metabolic health, strength, and longevity. 4. Blood sugar and heart health boost. Not only is it effective for weight loss, but Retatrutide also significantly improves blood sugar control and metabolic markers. Early studies show meaningful reductions in blood pressure, cholesterol, and liver fat, key factors in preventing cardiovascular disease and diabetes. 5. Side effects and safety. What we know so far. Like other medications targeting similar receptors, the most common side effects are gastrointestinal issues, including nausea and constipation. Additionally, researchers noted a slight increase in heart rate, requiring further study. Phase 3 trials, currently underway, will help clarify long-term safety and effectiveness. 6. Is Retatrutide for everyone? This medication shows promise, especially for those who struggle with obesity or type 2 diabetes and are at risk of age-related muscle loss. However, it's not a magic pill. Long-term success still depends heavily on a healthy diet, exercise, and lifestyle. That's it from me. Back to you, Adam.
Thanks, Christian. Retatrutide certainly appears to build on the incredible success of Ozempic and Mounjaro, raising the bar by delivering muscle-building benefits along with powerful weight loss effects. But like all emerging medications, it will be crucial to keep an eye on the ongoing research. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and always prioritize your long-term health over quick fixes. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell for future notifications. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to explore Retatrutide more deeply in future episodes, because knowledge is your best prescription. The information provided in this video is a compilation of various sources and has been condensed for ease of understanding. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.